I skipped the traditional calibration ritual because this machine arrived ready to roll right out of the box. My first test print was a highly detailed 150mm miniature that finished in under 2 hours, which is a pace that used to be reserved for industrial machines. What surprised me most was how the active heating system kept the resin at a consistent 30 degrees Celsius despite my drafty garage environment, and this led to a 0% failure rate during my initial high-speed runs. Design and build quality. The M7 Pro feels like a significant step up from the plastic-heavy designs of the past. It sports a sturdy metal chassis that weighs nearly 13 kilograms, and this provides a rock-solid foundation that eliminates the Z-wobble often found in lighter competitors. I was particularly impressed by the laser-carved build plate, which has a distinct texture that grips the first layers without making them impossible to remove later. However, I found the choice of a traditional lift-off acrylic cover slightly disappointing compared to the hinged lids seen on recent Elegoo models. You still need a dedicated spot to place that large resin-coated hood every time you check a print. Key features in action. The standout feature for me is the LighTurbo 3.0 system paired with the 14K monochrome screen. In my testing, this combination produced crisp edges that are nearly indistinguishable from injection-molded parts. Another game changer is the autofill unit. I hooked up a 1 kilogram bottle, and the printer managed the resin levels autonomously throughout a massive 12-hour print session. Performance and daily reality. In daily use, the speed is the primary reason to choose this model. When using high-speed resin, I consistently hit vertical speeds of around 150 millimeters per hour without losing the fine details on my models. I noticed that the 10.1-inch screen provides plenty of real estate for batch printing armies of miniatures or large-scale architectural prototypes. The cooling fans and the resin pump do create a fair amount of noise, so I wouldn't recommend keeping this on a desk where you plan to take video calls. The connectivity via the Anycubic app worked well for me, and it allowed me to monitor progress from my kitchen while the printer worked in the basement. Limitations and trade-offs. No piece of tech is perfect, and the M7 Pro has its share of quirks. The resin pump system is fantastic for large prints, but it becomes a maintenance chore if you like to switch colors frequently. I found that cleaning the internal tubes requires a full flushing cycle with alcohol, and this adds extra steps to your workflow. I also encountered some frustration with the placement of the USB port on the side and the power cord on the left. This layout makes it awkward to line up multiple printers side by side in a cramped workspace. Furthermore, while the 14K resolution is technically impressive, the use of ACF film for speed slightly softens the extreme sharpness compared to traditional FEP film. Final verdict. The Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Pro is a powerhouse for users who value throughput and reliability above all else. I would recommend you buy this if you are a professional creator or a serious hobbyist who prints large volumes and needs a machine that can handle cold environments without external heaters. The combination of active heating and auto leveling makes it a remarkably consistent tool. However, you should skip this if you are a casual user who only prints once a month, or if you prefer a silent workspace. The maintenance requirements for the pump system might outweigh the benefits for those who only do small, occasional jobs.